What if you could get a drone with a built-in screen controller, dual cameras, follow me mode, brushless motors, and obstacle avoidance, all in a compact, beginner-friendly package? Well, that's exactly what the AE21 mini drone promises. But is it actually worth your money? Or is it just another overhyped budget drone? Today on Caring Guy, we're taking a closer look at the AE21 mini drone to find out. Let's get flying.
Right out of the box, the AE21 makes a surprisingly good first impression. It features a compact foldable design that's easy to carry in a backpack, making it ideal for travel, outdoor adventures, and casual flying. One feature that stands out immediately is the fully enclosed propeller protection system. This helps protect both the drone and the user from accidental impacts, making it especially suitable for beginners and younger pilots. The drone also includes bright LED lights that improve visibility during evening flights and give it a cool, futuristic appearance. Now let's talk about the camera. The AE21 comes equipped with a dual camera system and is marketed with 8K HD capability. The front camera is designed for aerial photography, while the secondary camera provides additional viewing angles. One of the most useful features is the 90-degree electrically adjustable camera. Using the controller, you can tilt the camera angle remotely to capture landscapes, overhead shots, or creative perspectives without landing the drone. For social media content, travel videos, and family memories, the AE21 offers plenty of flexibility. Keep in mind that the advertised 8K label is mainly a marketing specification, and actual image quality is closer to what you'd expect from an entry-level consumer drone. Still, for casual users, the footage can be quite enjoyable. One of the best features of the AE21 is the included 4.3-inch screen remote controller. Unlike many budget drones that require you to connect your smartphone, the AE21 allows you to see the live FPV camera feed directly on the remote. This makes setup much easier and eliminates phone compatibility issues. For beginners, this feature alone can make flying much more enjoyable.
The AE21 also includes an intelligent follow me mode. Once activated, the drone can automatically track your movement and keep you in the frame. This is incredibly useful for travel videos, outdoor activities, cycling, walking, vlogging, and social media content creation. You don't need a second person operating the camera. The drone does the tracking for you. Additional smart functions include one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, headless mode, gesture photography, optical hovering, custom flight paths, and real-time FPV viewing. These features make flying easier, especially if you're new to drones.
Safety is another area where the AE21 tries to impress. The drone includes a 4-way infrared obstacle avoidance system that helps detect nearby obstacles during flight. While obstacle avoidance on budget drones isn't as advanced as premium GPS drones, it still provides an extra layer of protection against accidental collisions. Combined with optical hover technology, the drone can maintain a stable position while hovering, helping you capture smoother photos and videos. Powering the AE21 are efficient brushless motors. Compared to traditional brushed motors, brushless systems offer longer lifespan, lower noise, better efficiency, more power, improved flight stability, and stronger wind resistance. This makes the drone feel more responsive and reliable during outdoor flights. In real-world use, the AE21 is designed for fun and convenience. The drone is easy to control, stable in calm weather, and packed with beginner-friendly features. Whether you're flying in a park, recording travel footage, or simply learning drone controls, the AE21 offers an enjoyable experience without overwhelming new pilots. Here's what I liked about the AE21. Built-in 4.3-inch screen controller, dual camera setup, follow me tracking mode, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance system, optical hover stability, beginner-friendly controls, compact portable design, safe propeller guard protection. A few things to keep in mind. No true GPS positioning. Camera quality isn't true professional 8K. Wind resistance is limited compared to larger drones. Obstacle avoidance is basic compared to premium models.
Overall, the AE21 mini drone offers an impressive feature set for beginners and casual drone enthusiasts. The combination of a built-in screen controller, follow-me tracking, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, and dual cameras makes it one of the more interesting entry-level drones available in its category.
If you're looking for a fun drone to learn with, create content, or simply enjoy aerial photography without spending a fortune, the AE21 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Caring Guy. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more drone reviews, tech gadgets, smart devices, and amazing products. See you in the next video.